So when it comes to bringing in the waist and creating more feminine silhouette and a better hip to waist ratio, things have really evolved and we have exciting new procedures. In this video, we're going to focus on rib remodeling, but we've gone from getting rid of the fat that's there, getting rid of the loose skin, getting rid of the or tightening up the muscles like we do with tummy tucks, to now the next evolution is bringing in the bones, actually, or remodeling usually the lower three ribs. In the past, patients and myself as a surgeon tended to shy away from this procedure because we used to talk about taking out the ribs, and to a lot of patients this seemed very invasive, a scar was needed, and it was really not necessarily preferred. However, in this video we're going to talk about the new technique which is called rib scar. It actually came out of Lima, Peru. A lot of patients who have come from areas where the Andes are and at high altitudes tend to have what we call a barrel chest or wider splayed ribs, and so this is one reason there was a big demand for this procedure down there, and really a lot of the advances in this area have been made have come from there. But this is a really clever little device that we use on what's called a piezotome, and so this is how we're able to do it. As you can see, it's just like a little needle stick, and that's what patients are left with, in that there will be no scar. And so how we're able to do this is the piezotome is what is called an osteoselective instrument. So when we put it in and press it against the rib, it vibrates at a very fast rate, and it's osteoselective, so it doesn't affect the other soft tissues around it, but we can crack one side of the rib. This makes it more flexible, and that's how we're able to bring in the waist, thanks to the innovations mainly from Peru and this awesome little device here that goes on the piezotome and very gently does this procedure. We're just making the ribs flexible, and the corsetting for the 3 months after surgery is going to do the rest.